Hello everyone! So ayun, I'm just going to give an update kung kamusta na pa sa amin dito sa Villaggio Enclave. So ayun, sa lahat ng mga kliyente namin na nakahabol pa ng reservation dito sa amin sa Villaggio Enclaves, I would like to congratulate all of you po na avail natin yung 3 million lang instead of 3.6 million na ready for occupancy. So ayun, as you can see po, naglagay talaga ako ng no color means may homeowner na or occupied na. Then red means sold, orange means available. So, wala nang available. Ayan po. In the span of 5 days, ubos po namin lahat to. Lahat ng red, yan po yung available noon na naka-orange. And right now, as you can see, red na silang lahat. And yung orange na nakikita nyo, na-reserve lang siya ngayon. Kanina lang po. So, ganun talaga kabilis. Then, may isa pa naman actually, pero lot only lang po to. So, if interested pa kayo dito sa lot only 125 square meter, 2.5M lang yan, let me know po. So again, this is Villaggio Enclaves located in Barangay Buena Vista 1, General Trias, Cavite. Located po to along Ferrer Drive ng General Trias, Cavite. So isa po ito sa mga project naming accessible. And pagkalabas ng subdivision, jeep na sakay papuntang Tejero na kung saan doon kayo makakasakay ng mga buses going PTEX. Ayun, let's hope and let's pray if ever man kung meron pang marere-open. Pero I cannot promise kasi yun nga po, as you can see po, yung mga highlighted na yan, sold na. And yung mga walang color means meron na pong naka-occupy o meron nang nakatira or may nakakuha na po. Ayun, thank you so much for watching at pagtangkilik sa amin dito sa Discounted Homes of Pinoy. Again, I'm Miss Say Caranza. I'm the licensed real estate broker. And again, I have actually, nadagdagan na kami. I have 4 best agent na sumasagot din ng inquiry ninyo, which is si Miss Stephanie Francisco, si Ella de la Cruz, si Jomar Vargas, at si Ma'am Shirley Piel. Ayun po, our number is already posted and thank you so much for watching. And mag-update kami if ever man po na meron pang mag-reopen. Thank you so much. God bless po.